Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about toggle button, how to apply toggle button in our custom module for Odoo 19. Now today we are gonna study about another type of field known as date time. In our current library management module, we see there is a published date, right? Here it is the data type. When we activate our developer mode, and here hover on the field, we can see its data type is date. Now there may be some instance where you need to show time along with the date. So Odoo provides another data type known as date time. By using that data type, you can show date along with the time. What I mean to say is, along with this date, you can also see the time it is set. Now I'll show you in the code. In order to do that, go to the code. In the library underscore book, I will add another field here just to show you what the date time data type works. Format is equals to fields dot date time and string time format. I am adding the field in the book view so that we can compare with the date data type. Now I'll simply add this field in the view as well, in the form view right beside here, and I'll simply paste it. And what I'll do, I'll simply restart my server, go to the apps, upgrade my module. After upgrading module, we will go to the library management and open any of the records. Now you can see the date is on here, right? Now if I'll select 26, and here you can also select time as well. Let's select print, apply. See, this is the date data type and this is date time data type. With the help of this type of data type, you can add the time as well along with the date. When it is useful, when you want to show, for example, you want to show at what time the particular record is created, so you can add date time field in the model and call it in the create method. So with the help of that, you can know that this record is created on which particular moment. So let me summarize today's topic. In order to create date time data type record, all you need to do is go to the code. In the model, you need to simply add a field which has data type date time. It is different than date. While using only date, you will get only the date. While using the date time data type, you will get time along with the date. So after adding that, you can add in the form view as well. And after adding in the form view, you can simply restart the server and upgrade your module, and you will see your field with the data type of date time. I hope this small topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.